Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. And welcome to a free seminar, 2 days seminar on data structures and algorithms. So, what is mean by data structures and algorithms? So, with Java. Okay, sir, I won't visible. Okay, only my screen will be visible. So DSA pre-seminar, right? So myself, K. Prakash Babu, having almost 16 years, 15 years of experience as a trainer. And sir, here we are going to talk a few minutes about, sir, what is this data structures and algorithms? What things we are going to cover all these things. Anyway, the prerequisite, okay, the prerequisite for this is Java, sir. Compulsory, you should have the minimum knowledge in core Java. Okay, the minimum knowledge you should have in core Java. So that means what? Without language, implementing the data structure is not recommended, sir. So compulsory, if you have at least some language background, then we can able to implement that data structure. Maybe if you take a stack data structure or linked list. So if I want to implement compulsory, we should have some basic idea about the programming language. So here to implement a data structures and to implement various algorithms. So which thing we are going to use here? Java programming language. So we can implement the same by using Python or C language or C++ or any other programming languages. Okay. Then, sir, coming to this, what is this data structure? Anyway, just I want to give some basic definitions. Sir, first of all, we must understand what is mean by an algorithm, sir. Sir, we know very well from our childhood onwards, we are talking about this algorithm. Sir, an algorithm, okay, an algorithm is a step-by-step process, a step-by-step process for solving, okay, a step-by-step process for solving a particular problem or a task, okay. If I want to perform a particular problem or if I want to solve a particular task, so we have to write a step-by-step process, okay. Sir, here we will concentrate. So here we will concentrate more on design part. Okay, design part rather than implementation. Rather than implementation, we will mainly concentrate on implementation. Okay, so in these, the instructions will be here, whatever instructions we are giving, these instructions will be so just like our English programming, our English language. Okay, so whatever our English instructions are there, in the same way we are going to write. Sir, first example, I want to take one algorithm to perform multiplication of two numbers. Okay, sir, what is my task? I want to perform multiplication of two numbers. For this, I want to prepare algorithm. Yes, of course, a small agenda we have taken for this. Sir, what is the first step? We have to read two numbers. We have to read two numbers from the user, right? So let it be like A and B. So we have to read two numbers from the user. Sir, what is the third one? Declare a variable C of type integer. Then, so we have to write a mathematical formula like C is equal to A into B. That is our target, right? So just we have to print, okay, or we have to return, okay, or we have to return the result, okay, that is nothing but available in C. This is nothing but a simple algorithm, sir, a simple algorithm, okay, sir, to perform multiplication of two numbers. So first step is we have to read two numbers from the user like A and B. and we have to declare a separate variable of type integer because it is holding the result of type integer. Then we have to apply a formula like C is equal to A into B. After that, we have to print or we have to return the result, which is nothing but C. Okay, we have to print or we have to return the result, which is nothing but C. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, now, sir, I want to convert this into a flowchart. Okay, I want to convert this into flowchart. Sir, what is mean by flowchart? Same definition. Sir, we can say a flowchart is nothing but, sir, diagrammatic or so pictorial representation. Pictorial representation of an algorithm is called as flowchart. Okay, a pictorial representation of an algorithm is called as flowchart. Okay, so here we have some special symbols. We have some special symbols. Okay, we have some special symbols, so to perform step-by-step activities. Okay, to perform step-by-step activities, sir, we have some diagrammatic representation is there. Sir, I will show you one simple flowchart so that you can feel comfortable. Okay, sir, let me search for that flowchart. I don't want to draw the diagrams here. So what is our task? So multiplication of the two numbers flowchart. Sir, we have various things are there. Better I will go with this short one. Okay, so let us copy this image and paste it in our paint. Sir, have you observed here a small flowchart you can able to see? Sir, what is the first task? We will start our program. Okay, sir, we will start our program. Next, we will read the value of A and B. Next step is we will calculate A into B and we are displaying the result. Okay, at last we will end the task. Okay, like this we have a step-by-step process is there. Okay, for solving this program. Okay, whatever points we have defined in algorithm, sir, is the same points existed here or not? Yes, you can able to see whatever points we have covered, same points are there here. Okay, so like how you can able to perform reading operation, so how you can able to calculate the result, so everything step by step it is arranged. Okay, right. Okay, sir, I think you got a very clear clarity about sir what is mean by algorithm, what is mean by flowchart. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Everyone, any doubts up to this? Yes, yes, we have new batches there. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Right, sir. So now I want to implement this program. Okay, I want to implement this program in Java. So as we know that if you are from Java background, sir, you can able to see if I want to prepare any Java program, sir, this is the format. A default class should be there. So what is the class name that I'm taking? Test is the class name. Okay, what is the class name that I'm taking? Test is the class name. Sir, within this class compulsory we have to write main method because the program execution always starts from main method. So that's why I'm taking, sir, public static void main, so string array args I'm taking. Okay, sir, means what? I'm creating a main method. So what is the purpose of main method? Because the program execution always starts from main method and it will continue. So that's why just I'm going to create a main method. Sir, okay, fine. After this what we have to do? After this what we have to do? Very simple. we have to declare a scanner class. Okay, we have to create an object for scanner class. Some people may have a doubt. So what is the purpose of this scanner class? Very simple. By using this scanner class, we can able to read the data from the user. Sir, any type of data, whether it may be integer or whether it may be floating point or whether it may be string or any kind of data, you can read happily from the user by using this scanner class. Sir, next immediately what is our step? We have to read a value. So I will ask the user system.out.println. So enter a value like this I am asking. So integer a is equal to, sir, I am going to read obj dot next int is the special method which is used to read an integer value from the user. Okay, sir, obj dot next int is the special method which is used to read an integer value. Then, so system dot out dot println of, so enter b value. So here I am going to read the value of b. Okay, here we are going to read the value of b. Sir, then what is our requirement? We have to calculate multiplication, right? But I am going to appoint one separate class to do this activity. And one more thing, since we are dealing with a scanner class, you have to import which package? Scanner. Now I'm going to take a special class with the name demo. So here I will write our main logic. Sir, what is our task? We have to perform multiplication of two numbers. So I am taking static integer multiply. So which will receive integer A, integer B. Here I am declaring one variable. I am writing that mathematical formula. I am going to return that value. It is mandatory. Sir, why you are taking static? Because in C language, sorry, in Java. So if you are creating, okay, if you are creating any method as a static, sir, object creation by using this object to call this method is not required. So directly without object, we can call this. Sir, how to call? What is the class name? Demo. So demo dot, what is the method name that you have taken? MUL. So directly you can pass to this. It will return the result. Okay, that's why these methods we can call without creating object. So when it is possible, if this method is declared with static, suppose if this method is not static, then what we have to do, we need to create object for a demo class. By using that object, we have to call this multiplication function. How we have done by creating object for scanner class, using that object we called next int, right? In the same style we have to do. Okay, this is nothing but the process what we have, sir. Okay, now since it is returning some value, if you throw two values, it will return some value, sir. That's why just I want to catch by using, sir, obj dot mul of multiplication of a comma b, like this I'm taking. That's all. Let us run this program. Is it going to work or not? Sir, how to run this code? So maybe you people heard, sir, there are some basic commands are there to run the program. Sir, I have saved all my Java programs in a folder in C drive with name Prakash classes. Okay. Now I am taking Java C test.java. It is a command which is used to compile our Java program. Yes, I compiled my Java program. The output what I got is nothing but empty. Now I want to run the Java program. Sir, it is asking enter a value. Sir, I will give a value as a 10. Enter b value. I am giving b value as a 4. Sir, what output we got? 40. Sir, 10 into, okay, 10 into 4, sir. This is nothing but what we have. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, so hope you got very clear clarity, sir, about this program. This is the simple algorithm what we have generated, and how you can able to define algorithm, how you can able to design flow chart. Okay, once if you execute this, what output we are getting. So these things are very clear for you people, I think so, right? Sir, can you please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this whatever we covered? Everyone, can you please confirm? I request everyone to please respond. Right, sir. So now the next task, okay, sir, in the data structures and algorithms. So what is the part of algorithm I explained? Anyway, sir, we are going to implement some 10 algorithms for you people. Okay, sir, what is that 10 algorithms here is? So first algorithm is nothing but I want to implement an algorithm or implement a program, algorithm and a program. Okay, so to perform, okay, or to find addition of two numbers. How you can able to do this? Then second program, I want to implement algorithm and program, sir, to find maximum of two numbers. So how you can able to find out maximum of two numbers, we are going to discuss. Okay, so next and after that, what is our third one is nothing but, sir, we need to find out maximum of three numbers. So implement an algorithm and a program, sir, to find maximum of three numbers. So and fourth topic, so implement algorithm and a program, sir, to swap given so two integer values. Okay, so next one, what we are going to discuss here is, sir, I want to implement a program and algorithm. Okay, implement a program and algorithm, sir, to check whether the given number is even or odd. Sir, number is so even or odd. Yeah, some people are asking questions, please wait, I will give response. Okay, then, sir, implement an algorithm and a program, sir, to find sum of, okay, n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers. How you can able to? So next, I want to implement a program, sir, to find factorial of the given number. Okay, so next I want to implement algorithm and program, sir, to check whether the given number is so prime or not. How you can able to check? So next I want to implement an algorithm and a program, sir, to generate, okay, Fibonacci sequence. How you can able to generate Fibonacci sequence? Again, we will implement algorithm and program, sir, to generate, okay, to generate Fibonacci sequence. So how you can able to generate these things also, we are going to discuss. So this is nothing but our main agenda, sir. Okay, main agenda of today's session. Okay, sir, next and after that, we are going to talk about so data structure. First, let me define the theoretical parts, then I will go with these programs. Sir, what is mean by data structure? Okay, what is mean by data structure? The name itself is giving very clear clarity, sir. What is mean by data structure? Analyzing, okay, or organizing the data in a specified manner is called as a data structure. Sir, generally, every time we are going to deal with the data or not? Yes, it is a common requirement that dealing with the data every day we are going to collect. For example, consider an MNC company is there. So that company is going to collect some client information like mobile numbers. Okay, now I want to categorize these mobile numbers. I want to categorize these mobile numbers. So based on some constraint, sir, how you can able to do? For that, compulsory you should have an idea about algorithm. I mean, what you can call data structure. So based on the data structures only, we are going to divide or not? Yes. So that's what we have, sir. Okay. So without data structures, nothing is possible in the real world. Data structure means what? Organizing the data. Okay. Organizing the data is called as data structures. So without data structures, nothing is possible. I have given very clear clarity. So let me give the definition. Arranging, okay, arranging or so organizing, okay, organizing the data. So is the concept of so data structures. Okay. So the following are the various operations. The following are the various operations that we can able to perform on data structures. Sir, what operations we can perform? First one, suppose if I have student records are there. Sir, is it possible to insert a new record? Yes, inserting the new data is possible. Sir, removal. Okay, sir, removal of existing data. Is it possible to remove the existing data? Yes, happily. Sir, next, updating or sir, replacement of data. Yes, we can do that. Next, sir, searching or okay, searching the data, searching the data. So like we have linear search is there, okay, and binary search is there. Linear search is there and binary search is there. Then sorting the data. Okay, almost we have 15 plus sorting techniques are there, which we are going to discuss in our upcoming classes. Like this, various operations we are going to perform. Okay, and all these data structures, okay, all these data structures are classified into two types, sir. Okay, maybe you people heard about this. One is nothing but linear data structures. Okay, sir, second one is nothing but non-linear data structures. Like this, we have how many types are there? Two types are there. So if we are talking about linear and non-linear, sir, first we have arrays. Okay, sir, we have stacks. Okay, and we have queues. Different types of queues are there, like normal queue, circular queue, priority queue. Like this, lists are there, like linked list, single linked list, circular linked list, double linked list, circular single, circular double, like this, etc. These things will comes under linear. And if you take trees and graphs, these are also different types of data structures. These data structures will comes under non-linear data structure. That means the data is not arranged in a linear state. Okay, so this is nothing but at the top level, what is mean by algorithm and what is mean by data structure. Okay, sir, every data structure pin to pin we are going to explore, and we will analyze that algorithm. I mean, we will analyze that data structure, what advantages are there, what style it is going to follow. Sometimes last in first out, sometimes first in first out, sometimes last in last out. Like we have multiple strategies are there, how you can able to apply those. So like everything we are going to explore as a part of data structure. And if you take algorithms, different types of algorithms are there. Like if I want to search for any data, we have to go for searching algorithms. Suppose if I want to take backtracking, then we have to go with some programming approach, like dynamic programming, greedy methods, recursive algorithms. So all these things we are going to cover one by one in these data structures and algorithms with Java courses, sir. Okay, I think the concept outline is very clear for you. And just to give me 1 minute, sir, I will give you the syllabus. This is the syllabus what we are going to cover in our regular classes. Okay, sir, introduction to data structures and algorithms, problem solving, how you can calculate the time and the space complexities. So what are the notations that we have? So we have theta notation, big O notation, okay, so omega notation, little o, little omega, like that. And what are the different aspects of algorithm? and what are the mathematical algorithms that we have, and what about bitwise operations, recursion methods, arrays and strings, matrices, searching and sorting techniques, linked lists, stacks, queues, binary trees, hash tables, hashing, AVL trees, dictionaries, graph, greedy method, backtracking, dynamic programming, all these things with examples, with real-time situations. Sir, we are going to provide implementation by using which programming language? Java. So this is nothing but the overview of these data structures and algorithms. Okay. So anyway, I will explore in today's session these topics, sir. Can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Collections in Java versus data structures. Same topic. Yes, theoretically same topic. But practically stack data structure is there, right? We will provide implementation for that. Anyway, already predefined thing is there. But if you want to implement, how you can do? Okay, that part we are going to discuss. Clear, Santosh? Yeah, hacker rank questions we are not going to solve. Here, concept and implementation of that concept is our main criteria. Okay, clear everyone? Please confirm. Yeah, let me give some information about the course. I forgot to give. Yeah, so this is the course what we have. Okay, the title of the course is Data Structures with Java. Data Structures with Java. Sir, 2 to 3 months will be their course. Timings, sir, we have two classes are there, 7 a.m. early morning or 7:15 p.m. evening. Any batch you can join. So the fees is nothing but 999. So contact numbers are these. You can contact to this number if you want to get registered for this course. Okay. Uh, Preferably try to join at 7 a.m. because for 7 a.m. sir, only few classes happened. Okay, that means 1 week classes happen. And if you take 7:15 a.m. sir, for this two topics completed. Okay, two topics over. Okay, so that's why almost 3 weeks we have completed. Okay, so anyway, if you want to watch the recording and if you want to uh, uh, join into the live sessions in the evening, this one is better. So I want to fresh classes, that means only demos completed. Okay, if you want to continue, you can go with this one, preferably your choice. So this batch is going to start from Monday. Already demos completed up to Friday. So today and tomorrow I'm going to take this free seminar. The students who are willing to continue, you can join at 7 a.m. And if you want to watch the previous class recordings, yes, it is there in our YouTube. Just previous class demos are there. You can watch that. And I am sharing that in our chat window also. Clear? So DSA improves problem solving skills. Yes, definitely. Definitely it will improve. Yeah, no problem, Kishore. You can purchase 7 a.m. videos. Okay, just you can ask to register for 7 a.m. They will share the class link at the same time, recorded videos link also. So the people who are joining for this class, they will get okay, they will get videos also. So better to register as a normal student. Don't purchase separately recordings. Anyway, if you purchase this course, recordings will be there by default. Okay. Sir, tomorrow 6:30 a.m. batch is there. Yes, tomorrow 6:30 a.m. batch is there. If you want, you can attend that. Same thing. Whatever I'm going to explain today and tomorrow, it will be repeated for 1 week. Okay, this 1 week syllabus, whatever I have taken. So this 1 week syllabus, I'm going to complete. Okay, I'm going to complete. So by taking classes at 6:30 to, okay, 6:30 a.m. to, so 7:15 a.m. 7:15 a.m. from tomorrow, that is Monday to Friday, I will take. Next week these students are going to be combined. Okay, can I take both courses of your logical thinking and DSA simultaneously? Yeah, no problem. Logical Logical based programming is completely based on programming. So how much stuff you have in the programming area, if you want to improve your skills in your programming domain, you can get registered for logical based programming. Sir, in my point of view, any programming language along with either any programming, not only Java, whether it may be Python or Java, sir, you must be very good at one programming language, simultaneously problem solving and also data structures. Data structures is basic is sufficient. That basic will be provided in this course. Okay. So logic based programming, as of now there is no new batch. Old batch is going on at 8:15. So almost 120 150 programs we completed. So you can wait for this month, maybe. So December 1st I'm going to start a new batch. Okay, December 1st I'm going to start a new batch on a logical based programming. I mean, first week you can join that. Okay. Seshu, daily 1 hour class will be there. Sometimes we will spend some extra time on weekend, maybe 1.5 hour like that. Right. So hope all your doubts got clarified. Right. Sir, today and tomorrow, okay, today and tomorrow, we are going to explore these algorithms. That is our main agenda. Okay, we are going to explore these algorithms. Sir, let us try to implement these first 4 or 5 algorithms today. Rest of the things we will continue tomorrow. Okay. So what is the first one here? Implement an algorithm. Okay, shall we continue? Please confirm. Still, if you are having any queries, please let me know. Still, if you are having any queries, please let me know. Yeah, 6:30 batch is also Dinesh. See, sir, please listen carefully. I'm giving clarity one more time. Please listen carefully. Sir, already second batch, that is logic, data structures and algorithms, second batch I started. Okay. So second batch already I started. So for them, sir, I started with the basic. What are the real-time examples for data structures? What is mean by algorithm? What is mean by flowchart? Okay. These things I covered. Then immediately we started some algorithms, like whatever algorithms I have listed out today, these algorithms I have taken for that batch almost 5 days. Okay, slowly I have taken by exploring one by one. Okay, so all these 10 algorithms I covered very clearly for them. Okay, sir, now what I am doing, that batch demos got completed. I am going to continue this batch from tomorrow, that is Monday. Okay, at 7:15. At 7:15, we are going to continue this batch. So whatever topics here I covered, the same thing I am going to take again for 6:30 batch for the coming week. And in this seminar, I'm going to cover these things. That's why. So if you attend these 2 classes, that is today's seminar and tomorrow's seminar, and follow these YouTube videos, and immediately you can continue from Monday, 7:15 batch. I mean 7 o'clock batch. Okay, that will be fine. Again, attending the demo at 6:30 means okay, no problem. But again, you need to wait for 1 week, right? That's why. Clear, Dinesh? You got my clarity? How many months validation video? 7 months validation will be there for videos. Basic DSA versus advanced DSA means, sir, yeah, basic DSA means, see, advanced means what? Somewhat higher level concepts will be there, and we will enter into more application oriented programming. Okay, but here the basic data structure means what? Okay, basic data structure means what? If I want to implement the basic data structure, what techniques we are going to follow? Okay, that basic part, fundamentals we are going to learn. But later in advanced data structures, we are going for in detail implementations. Okay, Santosh. Right. So let us start this one, sir. I want to implement an algorithm and a program to find addition of 2 numbers. Sir, whatever program we covered for a previous case, same things will be there or not? Yes. So first we have to prepare algorithm for this. Sir, what is the algorithm? to find addition of two numbers, the first step, okay, the first step what we have to follow here is, sir, we have to read, sir, two numbers. Okay, sir, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so let's continue, sir. So what is the first step that we have to do for this? We have to read two numbers from the user. Okay, what is the first step? We have to read two numbers from the user. Sir, let us consider those two numbers as A and B. Okay, sir, we have to read so two numbers as A and B. This is the first step. So what is the second step? Sir, we have to calculate. Okay, we have to calculate. So C is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B. And what is the third step? We have to print. We have to print C value on the screen. This is nothing but what we have algorithm, sir. Sir, I want to implement a program for this. Sir, how to implement? Already we have taken the program for multiplication, right? Simple. I am going to take addition. Okay, just function name you have to change, that is method name. Sir, instead of declaration, I think directly we can return the value so that we can reduce 1 unit of space. Okay, now let us compile the program. Perfectly compiled. Let us execute. Sir, enter A value 12. Sir, enter B value 34. The result what we got here is nothing but 46. Okay, like this we can implement a program for calculating addition of two values, sir. Okay, sir, hope you got very clear clarity about the first program and its implementation. Can you please confirm if it is clear? I will go with second program, sir. Clear up to this? Right, sir. So the next one, okay, the next one, what we have here is, sir, I want to implement, okay, I want to implement an algorithm and a program, sir, to find, okay, I want to implement an algorithm and a program to find a maximum of two numbers. Sir, how you can able to implement algorithm for this? Listen carefully. For this, we have to read two numbers from the user. So read two numbers from the user. Okay, sir, apply business logic. We have to apply business logic to calculate maximum of two numbers, and we have to print the result. Sir, what is the business logic? In this program I have two logics are there. What is a logic one? Sir, logic one is nothing but by using conditional operator. Okay, by using conditional operator. Sir, the syntax of conditional operator, maybe I think you people already know this. So first we have to take a condition, then we have to take a true block, then we have to take false block. So first we will validate the condition. Suppose if the condition is true, then true block will be executed. So if the condition is false, false block will be executed. So biggest of two numbers means what? Maximum of two numbers means we will check A greater than B. If the condition is true, A is the biggest. If the condition is false, B is the biggest. That's all right. So very simple algorithm we can able to prepare here. Okay, let us see how you can able to take. Sir, 1 minute, please wait. Right. So what is the condition here? I am taking A greater than B. So condition true means I am printing A, otherwise I am printing B. This is the first logic. Sir, what is the second logic here? The second logic is nothing but, sir, by using predefined methods. Sir, in Java there is one special library is there. Okay, so which is nothing but present in lang package. The library name, that is the class name, is nothing but math. Just you can able to use math.max, which will receive always two numbers, two arguments. So if you pass a comma b, it will take these two numbers and it will perform addition operation. Okay, this is nothing but what we have, sir. So implement a program to find maximum of two numbers means this is the logic what we have, sir. So let us execute a program related to this. Sir, what modification we have to do? Anyway, you required two numbers. Sir, demo dot. I will take the first function as max one. Otherwise, so max version one. Okay. Sir, what is the second one? What we have to take here is sir same thing. Okay. So here we have to take max version 2. Anyway, both answers should be same. Sir, now what is a function name? Sir, max version 1, which will take two numbers, and I am taking conditional operator. What is a conditional operator? Sir, A greater than B. If the condition is true, I am printing A value. If the condition is false, I am printing B value. This is max version 1. Sir, what is the max version 2? Very simple. Here we are going to take max version 2. We are taking the help of predefined library. What is that predefined library? Math.max of simply you can able to return two values. Maybe internally that max algorithm is going to follow this particular conditional operator only, that we don't know, but we have an alternative. That's why I am taking both. Sir, this is the way how we can able to execute this. Let me run this program and see what happens. So Java C test.java. So Java space test. The output what we are getting is it will ask for enter A value, sir 12 and B value 14. Have you observed the biggest among these 12 and 14 is nothing but 14. Okay, the biggest among 12 and 14 is nothing but 14. Like this, we can implement a program, sir, to find biggest value among numbers by using two versions. Okay, sir, I think you people got very clear clarity about this, right? Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Right, sir. Good. So let's go for the next one. Sir, what is the next one that we have? Implement a algorithm and a program to find maximum of three numbers. Sir, same algorithm we have to take. What is the algorithm here? The first step is nothing but, sir, we have to read, sir, two numbers. We have to read two numbers from the user. Sorry, not two numbers. We have to read, sir, three numbers from the user. What is the second step? We have to apply so business logic. Sir, what is the third step? We have to print the result. Sir, what is this business logic? We have several logics are there for this. Already we covered logic 1 and logic. In the logic 1, sir, by using conditional operator. Sir, how you can able to use this? Listen carefully. In previous example, we have only single condition is there, only true block is there, only one false block is there. That's why it is very easy to implement. But here, sir, we have two conditions we have to maintain. So the first condition, I will compare A value with B, and I will compare A value with C. Sir, if this is a single condition means which is combination of two conditions, sir, if it is satisfied, then what is the meaning? Sir, A value is greater when compared with B and C. So in such cases, I am printing A. Suppose if the condition is not satisfied, then what will happen? We have to compare B and C. If it is true, B is the biggest, otherwise C. Okay. So this entire thing I want to take within brackets. So first I will compare the value of A with B and C. If it is greater, A is the biggest number. Sir, if it is not greater, we have to compare B and C. If it is greater, B will be the biggest, otherwise C will be the biggest. Sir, what about logic 2? By using, sir, predefined tools. So math.max is there, but unfortunately, this math.max is going to receive only two numbers. Okay, it is not going to take three numbers like Python. It will take only two numbers. Sir, it is taking first two numbers from the user and it will find out maximum. Now, whatever result you got, I will compare that result with C. Okay, so that you will get biggest among three. So this algorithm we have to execute. Sir, program is the same. Okay, in addition to this, we have to read one more pair, which is nothing but C value. And I'm going to read that C. Sir, demo dot, what we have to take? Sir, max version 1, max version 2. Here we have to pass 3 arguments. So here also we have to pass 3 arguments. So what we are doing here, max version 1, integer A, integer B, integer C I am taking. Okay. Sir, A greater than B and A greater than C. So biggest is A. Otherwise, sir, we are going to take B greater than C, question mark B, otherwise C. Sir, what about here? First, it will find out maximum value among A comma B. Then I will apply same max of A comma B comma C. That's all. So let's execute this code and see what happens. Java C test.java. Sir, cannot find a symbol C. Here we have to send C value also as an argument. Now, sir, Java C test.java, Java space test. Sir, if I am giving 1, 2, 3, biggest is 3. Sir, if I am giving 1 to minus 3, biggest is 2. Like this, it is going to calculate maximum among three numbers by using two different logics. Sir, whatever concept we have taken for maximum of two numbers, same concept we applied here. But the only change is nothing but instead of two numbers, we have taken three numbers, except that the rest of the things are same. Right? Any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Yes, requesting every student to please give confirmation. Any doubts up to this? Nice explanation. Thank you, Santosh. Clear? Right. So the next one, the next program, sir, implement a program. Okay, implement a program, sir, to swap given two integer values. Okay, I want to implement a program to swap given two integer values. Sir, how you can able to swap? So for this, first I will prepare algorithm. What is the algorithm here we have is, sir, first step is nothing but we have to read two numbers. We have to read two numbers from the user. Second step is what? We have to apply business logic. Okay, we have to apply business logic. What is the third step? The third step is nothing but we have to print. Okay, so after swapping A and B values. Okay, sir, after swapping, what is the value of A and what is the value of B? Sir, but here after this, we have to print. So before swapping, okay, and here we need to take a 3 and we have to take 4. Like this we have. So let us go with the logics, sir. Sir, how many logics we have? Trust me, sir, we have 5 logics are there. So logic one is nothing but by using, sir, temporary variable. Sir, the instruction is nothing but T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T. First, I will explain this by taking a small diagram, okay, so that you can feel comfortable. Listen carefully. Sir, what is the first logic? Logic number 1. So what is this logic? By using sir temporary variable. Sir, T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T. That's all. Sir, how it is going to work? Let me take the value of A is equal to 1 and the value of B is equal to 2. Sir, first it will print 1 comma 2. right? Sir, next t is equal to a. That means t is equal to, what is the value of a? 1. That will be assigned. A is equal to b. Whatever b is there, that I am copying to a. Sir, a value will be updated to 2. Sir, b is equal to t. Whatever t value is there, it will be updated to b. Now, after this, what is the value of a? 2. What is the value of b? 1. Sir, is these two values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is nothing but logic number 1, what we have. Sir, what about the second logic? Sir, second logic is also same. Sir, without a temporary variable and sir, by using addition and subtraction. Okay, by using addition and subtraction. Sir, here the instructions are, okay, here the instructions are a is equal to a plus b. Okay, then b is equal to a minus b. No, a is equal to a minus b and b is equal to a minus b. Like this we have to take. Okay, let me check how it is going to work. A is equal to a plus b. Just a second, I am getting some call confusion. Yeah, sir, here b is equal to a minus b. Okay, so later a is equal to a minus b. Yeah, correct. Like this we have to take. So let me explain this logic in the paint. Okay, sir, logic number, what is this logic? Sir, by using addition and subtraction. Okay, sir, how it will be? First we have to take a is equal to a plus b. Sir, then after this what we have to do? B is equal to a minus b. Sir, a is equal to a minus b. Sir, let us execute. First of all, what is the value of a? Let me consider a value is equal to 2 and b value is equal to 3. A value is equal to 2 and b value is equal to 3. Sir, first it will print 2 comma 3. Right. Now what I am doing? A is equal to a plus b. Sir, add a value and b value. 2 plus 3, which will become 5. That 5 I am storing in a. Yes, a will be updated with 5. First instruction over. Second instruction, b value I am calculating a minus b. What is the latest value of a? It is on the screen, 5. 5 minus b value is 3. 5 minus 3 will become 2. That 2 you have to update to b. Perfect. What is the third instruction? A is equal to again a minus b. Sir, latest value of a is 5. Latest value of b is 2. 5 minus 2 will become 3. Yes, it is updated. Sir, after this, if you print AB, is the values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is nothing but second logic one. Okay. Sir, hope you have understood. Now, I want to apply third logic, sir. Okay. I want to apply third logic. Sir, what is the third logic? Sir, without using, okay, without a temporary variable, sir, but by using multiplication and division. So formula is the same. A is equal to A into B. Sir, B is equal to A by B. A is equal to A by B. In the place of addition, we have taken multiplication. In the place of subtraction, we have taken division. Except that nothing is there. Sir, here I am taking logic 3. What is the logic 3? Sir, by using multiplication and so division. Okay. So what we have to do here, A is equal to A into B. So B is equal to A by B. So A is equal to A by B. Like this we have. Okay. Now see what will happen. Sir, I am taking A is equal to something like 3 and B is equal to something like 4. So before swapping, what will happen? It will print 3 and then 4. Sir, now A is equal to A into B. What is the A value? 3. What is the B value? 4. 3 into 4 will become 12. That 12 will be updated to A. Right. Second instruction, B is equal to A by B. What is the A value? 12. So 12 by 4 means what? 3. That 3 will be updated to B. Excellent. What is the next one? A is equal to A by B. What is the A value? 12. Sir, 12 by 3 means what? We are going to get 4. that 4 will be updated to A. Sir, now after swapping, it will become 4 comma 3. Okay, so this is nothing but third logic what we have. Then, sir, one more logic is there. Logic number 4. Sir, what is this fourth logic? Sir, by using single line statement. Okay, by using single line statement, like A is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to A. Like this we can take. Sir, how it is going to work? Let me check. Logic number 5. Sorry, logic number 4. Okay, yeah, one more logic is there that we will discuss later. Sir, by using single line. Okay, by using, sir, single line. Sir, how to do this? I have given the formula, right? So A is equal to A plus B minus B is equal to A. Listen carefully. Sir, what is the value of A initially? Consider 4. And the value of B is equal to 5. So before swapping 4 comma 5. Now, sir, A plus B, A value, B value added 9 minus B is equal to A. That means we are assigning B value, that is 4 to, sorry, we are assigning A value to B. Sir, your B value will become 4. 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5 that we have to assign to A. That's all. So after swapping, we will get like this. Okay, this is nothing but how we can able to implement in fourth logic. Okay, sir, please confirm if theoretical concept is clear for you people. I will go with implementation of this program. Can you please confirm any doubts in these four logics, everyone? Yeah, we have one more logic is there by using bitwise operators that we will discuss tomorrow. Clear, right? Right. So let us code this, sir. Okay, let us code this. How you can able to do? Okay, sir. Already I have program is there for this. Just I will take that program. Yeah, sir. I am not going to take that last logic. Okay, no, not last one. Fourth logic. Anyway, I will implement later. So here I am going to take a swap number 4. So here also swap number 4. Yes. Sir, I accepted two values from the user like A and B, and I am calling version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. So if you want, you can provide the difference between the versions simply by taking sample SO. That means a new line will come into the picture. Now see what is a version 1. First we are taking before swapping A value and B value, and by using temporary variable how we have swapped, and after swapping AB values. In logic 2, before swapping and using addition and subtraction, after swapping what happened. In logic 3, before swapping by performing multiplication and division, how we got. So in swap 4, before swapping, okay, and after applying this logic, what happens? So like this, I implemented in 4 logics. Anyway, the last logic is there that we will discuss tomorrow. Let us execute the code. Enter A value. Sir, I am giving 34 and then 12. Have you observed? This is the first version. Before swapping, after swapping. This is the second version. Before swapping, after swapping. This is the third version. Before swapping, after swapping. This is the fourth version. Before swapping, after swapping. Okay. So I think you people got very clear clarity about all these things, sir. Okay. Any doubts up to this? Can you please confirm? Anyway, this program needs to be modified because we have to apply one more logic. Okay. So anyway, that part we will discuss tomorrow. And that's all about today's workshop, sir. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Same at sharp 8 o'clock. I will start tomorrow. Okay.